Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Nursery to Varsity. So in my previous tutorial I taught you how to install Python in your Linux operating system, and now we will talk about how to install an IDLE to do coding more efficiently. But before proceeding, I would like to tell you, if you are a Windows user, in my previous video I forgot to mention about Windows user. So in this video I will tell you how to install Python on Windows operating system. So just open your web browser, search Google. On Google just type Python, and this is the official site python.org, and in the download section you will find this Python 3.7.2. It will automatically detect your OS and it will download a setup file for you, and just double click on that setup file, install it, and you are good to go. Anyways, now in today's video we'll going to download an IDLE known as PyCharm. So to download it in Windows, just type PyCharm over here in Google. In the downloads, click on the download section. This mosquito, and yes, we have to download a community edition because the professional edition is paid. We will download community edition. Just click on download here, and the download will start. As you can see, it is a tar.gz file. Basically this site also detects our operating system, and then it will download the file according to our platform. So since I am using Linux, so it is downloading tar.gz, and if you are using Windows, it will download exe file automatically. Since I have, so I will not download it. And in if you are a Linux user, you also can download it from your software manager. Just click on your software manager and search over here PyCharm. And here you can see PyCharm community edition is available. Just click on install and it will get installed directly. After installing, just open PyCharm. It's beautiful, isn't it? Nice UI. Now we just have to click on create new project. It is a location where all our project will be saved, and we can name it Nursery to Varsity, and this is project interpreter. It means what sort of interpreter we want to use. Just don't do anything with it, let it to be on its default setting. Okay, and now click on create. It will load project. So as you can see, your PyCharm is greeting you with the tip of the day. If you don't want to see this tip of the day, then you can just untick this and just close it. Now here we are. Just maximize it. Here is our project directory, and in this we will create our Python files. Now to create a Python file, just right click on it, select new, and Python file. Now we can give any name to our Python file. So now what we can do today is we can do a simple program of let me guess. To start with, since we don't know much about Python, so we can just create a simple addition, subtraction, division, multiplication program. So we can give it a name D3. Can we? Okay, just click on OK. Now as you can see, an editor has been open. Let us initialize over a equals to 3 and b is equals to 4, isn't it? Now if you want a plus b, then we can write this comma a minus b, comma a into b, comma a divided by b, or we can say, just for simplicity, b divided by a. But it doesn't make any sense, so let it be a divided by b. Now to run this, click on Run tab, Run. Select your Python file name. Now the answer is here. 7, we know 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and it is 12, and it is 1.0 because mistakenly we have done a divided by a. So we got answer 1.0. And what do I think? The font is a little bit smaller, so let's do something about it. To improve this, we can just go to settings, then click on enter and font. Now here we can increase the size of font. Maybe 18 is a good size. It's kind of big. 16 is good. So let's click on apply. Okay. Now you can see the texts are quite bigger now. Also, the shortcut key to execute this code is Alt, Shift and F10 if you are running the code for the first time, and after that you can just use Shift F10. Let me clear a divided by a by a divided by b so we can see the change in answer. Now just press Shift F10. As you can see, the process is finished now and the answer has been changed, 0.75. Isn't it damn simple? And also in this IDLE we can get various of features. For example, if you are using a library, I will tell you later what is a library. If we have imported a library and if we are using any function of that library, this IDLE will tell us what types of functions are there in that library, what type of argument the particular function will take, and so on. So it will greatly ease our work. But I strongly recommend, before using this IDLE, just use command line, because if you want to learn the syntax, if you want to learn the commands, for that you have to use terminal, because there you have to type everything manually. But in IDLE you just type 2 to 3 words and automatically you get suggestion and you can just click enter and the whole command will be on your screen. So the choice is yours. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned, enjoy learning. And in our next upcoming video we will study about data types in Python. It will going to be interesting, so please keep watching.